If you guys want to know how to make this really cute, very simple decor piece to add to your vanity, then keep on watching, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So this is another DIY crafting video with Rebel Queen. So yes, you guys, I hauled this mirror forever ago. I got this at, oh god, did you guys see that like scary image? I hauled this mirror a while ago. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and as soon as I saw this mirror, I automatically said to myself, this is going to definitely be a DIY. Now, if you guys are big into makeup, you have a little vanity desk, then this right here, this is what I just thought would be really cute and amazing, because I was like, why not just add a really cute girly accent to your beauty stand, desk, whatever you have, and that's what I want to do, is do this. The next thing you will need are, let me take you guys over here, are these little gem type things, and I just found these on, what was it, Etsy? I believe this was Etsy, and I bought these a long time ago when I was thinking about doing phone cases and selling them. So that's how legit, how long ago this is. And I'm just going to wing it and see what my mind comes up with as I do this little craft. Put you guys back up here. One other thing you guys will need is obviously hot glue gun that is warming up, some glue sticks to your preference. I'm just using the ones from the Dollar Tree. They work for me for right now because my hot glue gun is not the best hot glue gun in the world, so I don't really care. So yeah, let that warm up and we will dive into this. Alright, so this is probably going to be the most time consuming, is I'm going to add some little gems all around. Alright you guys, so now that the time-consuming part, which was putting all these gems, so what I'm gonna do is, since I don't have any other means to make this, all I have is a hot glue gun. So before anybody panics and is like, oh my god, you're not supposed to do it like that, girl, I don't have the equipment. If you want to send me the equipment, oh, that'll be good. Okay. And then this is just something to sit there. You're not going to actually use this because the mirror on it is not that good. I mean, it is, but I personally would not put my makeup on using this mirror, just for the simple fact because the mirror is a little bit dull. And I'm just doing this so you guys can see in full depth of how to make this. If you want to make this, and I don't know if you guys can see, I did add a little gem for this. One other thing I want to throw out there is you guys can spray paint it. You can do whatever you want because, like I said, this is just the display to sit on your vanity, your makeup corner, your makeup shelves, your makeup whatever, your makeup bathroom. Who knows where the hell you put your makeup at. So yeah, so now that the tidy piece is done, and I kind of wanted to keep this pink and silver just for the simple fact because my area is like pink. You guys know pink is my favorite color. Now I am trying to debate what else I want to do because I really don't want to like overdo this because you could make it look really retarded. So that's where we're at so far. I'm going to go off camera and look at what I have left and just kind of see, and we'll be right back. So one thing I do want to do is I want to find a big pink gem, and I actually want to put it right above the Barbie, like right here, just to kind of make it look a little cute. Let's see. So I added that to make that look a little bit more, oh, bam, bitch, in your face, like, girl, we are popping, okay? Okay. Let's see, I might actually make Barbie have a pink eye, you know. Alright you guys, so I actually think I'm going to stop it right here. So this is really simple, really cute. Like I said, add it to your, let me zoom you all out. Add it to your vanity, add it to wherever you might think it looks good. I'm still cleaning off the excess. And I really like how it turned out. Like I said, you guys can spray paint it to your preference. You can make it more blingy. You can do whatever you want to do. If you guys end up recreating something like this, be sure to tag me on Instagram if you recreate something like this, because I would like to see what you guys come up with. I always like to throw ideas out there, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know this wasn't too in-depth. It was pretty easy. It was pretty self-explanatory of how to do this. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a big huge thumbs up. I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you in my next video.